Hello designers, ready to bring your ideas to life? Today, I'll show you how to download Adobe Illustrator and get started with your very first project. Check out the link in the description below to download Illustrator and follow along with me step by step as we dive into the world of vector design. Once you click that link, you'll be taken to the Adobe Illustrator page. It's a simple process from here. Just hit Start Free Trial to get started or sign in if you already have an Adobe account. If this is your first time, no worries. It's as easy as popping in your email, setting a password, and you're all set to start creating. After logging in, you will see a section called Apps. Click on that. Here, look for Adobe Illustrator and then click on Install. And just open the app once it has been downloaded. Now let's jump right into creating your first project. With Illustrator open, start by creating a new document. You can choose a custom canvas size or pick one of Illustrator's templates if you're unsure where to begin. To kick things off, let's experiment with the Shape tool, perfect for designing logos, icons, or any graphic that needs clean, scalable shapes. Just select the tool, click and drag to create circles, rectangles, or whatever shapes fit your idea. Another tip, explore the pen tool to create custom shapes and lines. It's an essential tool in Illustrator, and once you get the hang of it, you can craft unique, intricate designs. Play around with different strokes, colors, and gradients to add depth and make your artwork pop. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover the endless possibilities of Adobe Illustrator. And that's it. You're all set up with Adobe Illustrator and well on your way to creating exceptional projects. Remember, if you ever need help, there's a whole community of designers ready to assist. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design tips, and share it with anyone eager to start designing with Illustrator. Thanks for joining me, and happy designing.